They have a can you guys hear that? For all the love that it will give you. Here is all the informations. So we are here and we're just gonna walk around to look at things. Um, let's take a look. They have bathroom. They have art. Welcome. Inside they have. I'm not sure what is this. This is a garden, so let's take a look. Let's go around to the gardens. Oh, look at the bamboos. Wow. I don't know where if I go to the right place or not, but eh, you can usually we go right? Exactly all the art. Here have a lot of beautiful art, probably by the locals. Amazing, wonderful art. Look at this beautiful turtles. Look at that. The koi fish. And look at this. Back in the day. Then this Japanese place. Oh, if you want to read the name, each art have names. Like, I don't know who is she, but I can go and look for her right here. And that's her. Every single one. It's very hot inside here. What does this say? Does it smell good? May I smell this one? Oh, it smells so good. Huh? No, that's not banana tree. Different type of banana tree. Oh yeah, it is banana tree, yes. You guys see the monster fruit? I want to buy that and ship it home. They put this in here. It's some kind of guava, but it look like not hurting the tree. I'm not sure. What do you see? Oh, baby guava is growing. Can you guys see it? Wait, here. This one is Brazilian guava, and it's growing guava. It's not quite seasoned. That's why there's a tiny tune. Oh, and this one is this. I don't know, it's edible or not, but it's hanging. Lots of them hanging. It's a lot hanging. I believe this is the cocoa, like how they make chocolate using this. And it's no cocoa. You don't see any cocoa yet. I thought the tree smells so good, but I think the lady who just passed me, she actually smelled good, not the tree. The tree had no smell so far. Okay, this is the end. So we can walk back or we can keep go forward because more down there. And I don't know what they do out there and more out here. And I don't know. I don't want to go into the wood because we should not go in there maybe because I don't want to I don't want to get mosquito bite. Now we just follow people to go to the lake. You know, it's like monkey see, monkey do, those type of thing. The good thing about this is free, huh? And the parking lot was free too. Yeah, so far everything in here is free, free to look. If you like outdoor, enjoy looking, you get to come here for free. And I don't know what is this, but it looks delicious. I'm hungry, so it looks delicious. If you forgot your water, here's a fountain, but I don't trust. I don't like. You guys see this sexy pink? Oh, sexy. Hey, sexy. Sexy pink. Sexy pink, not sexy red. If you're tired, you could sit here and relax a little bit. Rest areas. Hi, you want to go lake? You want to look at the lake? Okay, come on. Come on. Lake here. Just be careful so you guys don't have shoes. Here is how the whole lake look like in Botanic. Do not use drone. Operate drone, remote control, prevent there's no swimming, bird watching areas, and oh my goodness, a lot of koi fish and duck, and then fish right here. Everywhere you go, you have fish and little birdie. And I'm gonna end my video right here, huh? I'm gonna end my video right here, but thank you so much. If you turn around, you can look a mountain over there, my baby boy and my girl right here. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you guys next video. Lành tinh mưa màng ở Bang On.